So for you guys who didn't know this, the Wonderworkshop Dash robot has 2 it comes with on top. Then you can put 2 more. One right here, one right there. There, Anna got one on. No noises, please, lids. But the face is funny. No, don't do that. And then it goes right there. They go on real tight, snug. So see how that goes, 1, 2, and then the other 2 go on the other side.
This isn't as easy as you do snugs and lugs and around.
Okay, Anna's almost got hers done.
Oh.
And that's it.
And he turned on.
And Dash just turned around and said, "What in the world's going on? What did you put on me?"
Howdy do.
And that's pretty much it, guys. So with that box of 4, you have one for each connector if you want it. So that's pretty cool.
Thank you, help me.
Yay. All right, Anna's going to help Lydia, and we're going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. We got so much more coming.
Subscribe.
These guys are going to start showing you all of their classes that we do with these amazing robots, too. So subscribe to see more of that.